Hi guys, welcome to my channel Me. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to DIY this simple square crochet for beginners. So let's get started. For this tutorial I'll be using two different colored thin threads which is easily available at any store, and a 2.5 mm crocheting needle or a crocheting hook. To create a slip knot, take both the threads over the other to form a circle and pull the tail of the thread through the circle like so, and that forms our first loop to create the foundation stitches. To create the first chain stitch, yarn over the thread like so and pull through the loop. This forms our first chain stitch, and keep repeating the same until you're done with 6 chain stitches. Now to create a circle, insert the hook in the first chain stitch like so. Yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 sets of loops in the needle. Pull the first one through the second one like this, and there you have it, a circle. To create the base pattern for the square, create 3 chain stitches, and this will be counted as our first double crochet. Cut off that excess thread. To create the second double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook through the circle, pull, yarn over, pull through. You'll be left with 3 loops on the needle. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and you'll be remaining with another 2 loops on the needle. Yarn over and pull through 2, and that creates our second double crochet. Now create another double crochet like so. Chain space 1. Now create another set of 3 double crochets like so. Chain space 1, another set of 3 double crochets, chain space 1, and another set of 3 double crochets. Chain space 1, now we have to join the 4th set to the first set, so chain space 1 and join it to the 3rd chain from the first set. Insert the hook like so, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops, pull the first loop through the second one like so, and that is a slip stitch. And there you have our first mini square. Now to go to the next line, create 3 chain stitches. That will be counted as a first double crochet, and then in the same space create 2 double crochets. and this forms our first set of 3 double crochets. Chain space 1. In the next space, after the 3 double crochets, you'll have a space there like so. Create 3 double crochets in the same space. Here we'll be creating the border for the square. So now chain stitch 2, and in the same space create another set of 3 double crochets. So it's like 3 double crochets, 2 chain stitches and 3 double crochets in the same space. Chain space 1, leave the 3 double crochets, and in the next space create 3 double crochets, remember we are creating a border here. Chain space 2, 3 double crochets in the same space, one chain space, in the next space create 3 double crochets, two chain spaces, three double crochets in the same space, chain space 1, and in the next space we have already created 3 double crochets, so we have to create another set of 3 double crochets like so. Chain space 2, and insert the hook on the third chain from the first set like so, yarn over, pull through, pull the first loop through the second one like so, and there you have our mini square. To go to the next line, create 3 chain stitches. This will be counted as the first double crochet, and in the same space create 2 double crochets like so. The only difference in this line will be you'll have an extra space, chain space 1. See, you'll have an extra space here. Create 3 double crochets there. Chain space 1. Now we are at the border, so create 3 double crochets in the space there. 2 chain stitches and another set of 3 double crochets in the same space. Chain stitch 1, another set of 3 double crochets in the next space, chain space 1, and at the border again, so 3 double crochets, chain space 2, 3 double crochets in the same space. Repeat the same and complete the next line. I'm back with creating more lines. Now once you have connected the last row, cut off the excess thread and just pull this thread through like this, and you'll have a knot over there. Now to hide that excess thread off, insert your hook through the chain link like so, yarn over and pull the thread through like this. So this way you can hide your excess thread off. Insert the hook through the chain, pull the yarn like so. Repeat this process till the whole thread is not shown, or you can cut the excess thread off like this. And there you have it, a beautiful simple square crochet for beginners. This is the front side and this is how it looks behind. I absolutely love this side, and this is yet another one that I have created, but the border, the final row was created with simple or the same color threads. You can let your creativity take over you, and hope you enjoy watching this video. Do comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.